Today we have a 2005 Cadillac DeVille. This is a very simple removal. If you need help with any of the tough ones, see our website. We do have quite a few removal guides for speakers, amplifiers, stereos, power antennas. We've got it there. If it isn't, just ask. But we're going to use our pry bar to remove this stereo. We're going to start with a small trim panel that goes around the edge of the radio. These clips are usually pretty easy to release. However, we do have two tough clips, and they're usually the two up here on the top. So we're going to make sure we get down there to underneath those to help pry them up and away from the dash, and pull on the panel. Be very careful. This plastic panel is somewhat easy to clip, easy to break if you don't pry properly. And this left clip looks like it's going to be a little bit difficult, which I knew before I started because I've already done this once. There we go. Again, these two clips, they are metal clips at the top. Everything else on here is just plastic and goes back in. Now, like I said, this is a very simple removal because we have two tabs on each side. And we're going to take these tabs and push them in. I don't know if you can see them that well, but they push in, and this allows the radio to release. We're going to do the same on the right side. Push the tab in, and then we're just going to pull the stereo from the dash. Now, this one has several connectors. Again, what we're doing is we have the metal tabs on the side, and what we're doing is we're going in and pushing on these tabs and pushing them down like this. There's a little hook on the side, and this hook allows it to lock into a slot on the side of the dash here. So we're pushing this in so that it releases the lock. This goes for both sides, so it's a simple removal. Now, this is going to give access to several connectors here, or actually one main connector, and the antenna. The antenna is a metal base. You can grasp this, wiggle it, and it pulls straight out. As for the main connector here, we have a blue clip on it here, and this blue clip pushes down, releases the lock, and allows you to remove the connector. This is a customer car, so I'm not going to disconnect power from the radio, so it continues to hold its preset buttons. But this is how you remove the stereo from a Cadillac DeVille. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, thumbs up if it's helped you out, and thank you for watching.